All right, traders, Mike here with the watch list video for Thursday, May 9th. Very nice day today. Great teamwork and chat. Some really nice posts. I'm not going to go into the great calls in this video because I made a separate video highlighting I don't know 3 different calls in MULN. All of them met our parameters. All of them seen by somebody and posted ahead of time. Moderna by me over the mic. Jacob Kale on Toast TOST. Some really good stuff. And by the way, if you hung out in after hours, some nice posts by JTR on CTMX, which I'll talk about in a minute. But first, for the new faces in chat, please pause the video and read that, all right? Gives you a great explanation of what we are all about. All right, so the SPY gapped down today, but found buyers and just slow grind higher all day. There it is on 5-minute candles. Oh, I still got after hours on there because I was trading after hours. All right, so there you go. Slow grind up and then a late day kind of cup and handle for him. But overall, a really nice rebound after the gap down. And maybe I'll quickly mention some after hours stuff. ARM Holdings, one of the chip plays, ARM down a bit after earnings. AMC, the movie theaters, down a bit after earnings. I think Airbnb, I don't have it up anymore. Airbnb down after earnings. So there's a few, but the big one, which I'll throw on the watch list for tomorrow, is CTMX. There's the daily. Had this big spike back here, then the pullback, and had news in after hours. Again, great job by JTR in after hours posting it. And right now it's trading at 845, 850. It went as high as 955 so far. So definitely on gap watch tomorrow, unless we wake up and it's gapping. It's no longer gapping, but I suspect it will be. So that one's on watch. And let me go into the rest of them. I'm trying to keep it kind of short today. Laser, LAZR, I don't know, closing well off its highs, but big volume. I'll go ahead and throw it on watch. You know, we're looking for day trades anyway. TEVA, breakout, maybe a second day play. INOD, also maybe a second day play. Big day there. TOST, trying to break out here. Beyond Meat, it had a nice run here and it's kind of flagging. I think there was some news about McDonald's today, and then the news people thought the news was fake, and then I heard it was real again. Who the hell knows? But it's a lot of shorts in the name, so certainly interesting. Over kind of 850 maybe, over that line. You kind of have this pop and a sideways action. Because of the number of shorts in it, I am going to keep it on a chart. IEP, nice little mini breakout today. Could have a follow-through day. RPTX. Gapped up today and closed, I don't know, decent close. Still closed below its open and below the highs. Let me check what the high of day was, 396. So certainly through the highs maybe tomorrow. Not in love with that one, but we'll watch it. PAYO, strong gap up and sold off, but then ended up going out near the highs. So it makes the watch list. MULN, again, there was like, after I made the video highlighting all the calls, I actually made one more call in it on a 2's buy zone, which also paid off really well if you took that. So it was like four calls at least in MULN today. It definitely goes on watch. Back here, the high was 745. It took that out today. Remember I told you I love this inside day with this day and the recent high back here, and all of it played out. But it did close well off its highs. To me, that means really it's still in play for tomorrow. We'll keep an eye on it. TGTX. The reason I like this one, it gapped up back here a little over a week ago and topped out at exactly 18. So it's super interesting through 18 one of these days. And you've got potential catalyst here, potential catalyst here. When I say catalyst, I mean a chart catalyst, for those who don't understand that. So that is TGTX. What's next? JMIA, inside day today after the gap up yesterday. Maybe a third day play there. Moderna, mRNA. Did find support and it's curling back up. Again, I covered the call I made in that one in that video on YouTube. Anyway, it did find support. Maybe it's back up from here now. So that one goes on watch. IRBT. I actually like this one. I mean, this is one Amazon was going to buy, and it was up in the 50s, and now it's just gotten beaten senseless. And nice volume today. Sort of a little breakout. See that horizontal line there? Sort of a breakout. Definitely possible continuation tomorrow. CRCT, big breakout today. And then CTMX, I already mentioned gapping and after hours. So that's it. We'll also add other gappers in the pre-market together. And then let's spend the day tomorrow working, looking for A+ setups. Great teamwork as always. I'm done babbling. I'll see you in the chat room in the morning.